This is like majorly active bear territory that I have to walk back to town through right now. I have nothing. I have no water, no backpack. I have a camera and a small 3-inch pocket knife. Look at this fella. He just scared the hell out of me. He was right next to the road. He popped up. God. He was like 2 feet from me. You scared me, man. All right, we successfully hitchhiked down to downtown Gatlinburg, Space Needle. Now I've got to, I don't know where to go from here. So I called the locksmith guy and he was like, it's gonna be at least $150 for me to come unlock your car. And I was like, what? No. So, old reliable brother's on the way up here with my spare key. Let me just tell you how much of an inconvenience that is for him. We literally live almost an hour and 45 minutes away from this trailhead. And not only that, but it's a curvy, windy, long drive to get to the trailhead. He is going to go all the way home, grab my spare key, and drive all the way up here and help me out. Big time clutch from the little brother. I don't know where I'd be without this family, man. We made it.